Hello everyone and welcome to another Vidmas video where I upload 5 videos a week until Christmas for Vidmas. For today's video, I'm actually going to be cleaning and decorating for Christmas with you guys. This might be just part 1 because this mama is pretty much pregnant, so I cannot be doing everything all in one day. But I'm going to be sharing with you guys the before and after. So this is the before, yes, real life with my bra on the bed. Sorry about that. But yeah, this is just the before video, before footage of my bedroom. You'll see the rest of the house later, but we're gonna be tackling the bedroom and the living room today. So that's what I'm going to be showing with you guys. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna be doing is our bed. It's long overdue, trust me. If you look closely, a lot of Rinabella's food stain is all over our bed, so we really needed to change it. For the bedroom, I wanted to do like a blue and white Christmas theme, so we're not following the Winter Wonderland too much as the living room in the bedroom. That is because I didn't want to spend too much money. You know that we have a baby on the way, so I wanted to just, use what we have, recycle. It's good for us, good for the environment, good for our wallets, good for everybody. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I'm just changing, our pillowcase, bed cover, bedspread, everything. Yeah. And because we have so much blue and white bedspread, I had the chance to actually choose what I'm going to use for this year's Christmas. So that's what I'm doing here. And here I'm just asking my husband David to grab the comforter for me because I forgot it and it's actually in a higher place. So I just asked him to grab it for me real quick. And yeah. One thing that I love about our comforter is that it's reversible. So just like this one is reversible either into the plaid or into just the white, and that's what I did here to make the bed more blue and white than more white and blue than blue and white. We actually had this comforter when I was pregnant with Rina Bella. My mom got it for us. So yeah, guys, almost 4 years ago, and it's still going strong. And growing up, I never knew about duvet covers, you guys. I actually just found out about it like sometime last year. So yeah, I'm going to be investing in those duvet covers soon, so that our comforter don't take so much storage space, because we had 3 comforters before and I already sold one, but we still have another one, so we have 2 right now. And I rather just get duvet covers. It's easy to clean, plus our washer is so small, so I rather do that. And it's a win-win for everybody. Let me know if you guys ever use duvet covers and where you find your best ones. Okay, we're finally moving on to the living room. Actually, I already changed these pillow covers. So yes, you guys, I do use pillow covers. I don't keep on changing my pillows on my couch. I do change pillow covers as the holiday changes. So that is why that's how I do to save money, and also um, save storage space, because we really don't have that much storage space in our apartments. But anyways, here I'm just decorating the couch with the pillows, just cleaning the couch. This is how I clean my couch, you guys. I don't have your fancy vacuum, or maybe I do, but I just don't want to use it. So this is how I clean my couch. Okay, so now moving on to the entertainment center. I'm just going to give this a quick clean with my method all-purpose cleaner. You guys have seen this multiple times, millions of times. Anyway, so I'm just doing that, and then here just ask David to grab me more decoration. It's right in front of us in that little closet area there. So that's what I'm gonna ask him to do. And I just wanted to keep everything very simple, like I said, and reuse what we have. So I just wanted to put this white garland right there. I actually use comment strip to fix it there, so that Rina Bella doesn't keep on pulling on it. So I'll show that to you guys in a little bit. It has the front and back tape type of style, so that's why I used it. And then I just added another one later on, just to make it a little bit more, I don't know, you can see it more, I guess. And here I'm already getting so tired, you guys, but we're just gonna move on to this area. I'm just taking away my Halloween and my fall decoration and cleaning this area, and then putting some Christmas cheer here. And I already pre-made this sign, you guys, and as you can see, it's misspelled, but don't worry, on the next video for the Christmas tour, you guys would see that David helped me change it. That's how tired this mama was, you guys. I was so tired that I didn't even realize that I spelled reason wrong. It's supposed to say Jesus is the reason. I actually tried to spell a lot of things for this sign, but I ran out of letters. So Jesus is the reason is the one that I could use. So yeah, that's what you can see here right now with the misspelled word, but I did change it on the next video. So this might be a little series here on Vidmas. But yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Don't forget to catch me up in all my social media. Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet. It do mean so much to me and my channel. Alright, you guys, talk to you in the next video. Mwah.